Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2007 Mazda CX-9, stock number 5919. This ran from the 12th 2007 to the 12th 2015. It has a TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. The front headlight needs polish. The front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 20-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front door, one small dent. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door has some scratches. Right front 20-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door missing cover down below, no dents. Right front door trim, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, courtesy light for sunglass holder, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,